Amna Afrin Kidwai. I'm a BDS graduate from ESIC Dept College and Hospital Rohini and have secured 331 rank in NEET MDS 2023.
Amna, you secured 6 months back. Now Amna is here at the studio and she's here to receive a trophy for selection in the recently concluded INI CET May 2023 exam. And she's got selected in the exam. Amna, you tell yourself what was your rank and which branch you have opted for.
I have secured 14th rank in INI CET May 2023 exam and I have been allotted Pediatrics and Preventive Dentistry in AIIMS Delhi.
So huge congratulations from my side officially. And these are the two trophies Amna has from ACE achievers, one for selection in the INI exam and the other for selection in the previously concluded NEET exam. Amna, what was your rank in, you were saying in NEET?
331.
So from 331 coming to this rank 14th in the INI exam, what was the motivation or what is the trick behind it?
So my result of NEET was itself the motivation because I knew I didn't perform to the best of my abilities. So I worked on my weaknesses. I practiced a lot of questions. I was practicing 1,000 questions daily because I really wanted to get the best result in AIIMS. My seniors, Dr. Madhu Sharma ma'am, also advised me that I should be focusing on the INI CET and not on the NEET because it got over and I don't have anything now to do with it. So I practiced the questions daily. I gulped down the SR-ship papers and that was, I think, the turning point and that enhanced my preparation and improved my results.
So Amna, how does it feel? You had a NEET trophy. How does it feel to have this INI CET trophy?
So this is the best thing I think I can have because this is the memento that I did what I really wanted to do.
This is what you crave for.
Yes, sir. This is what I dreamt for. So
coming to AIIMS Delhi.
Yes, sir.
You've been to the department during your joining. How did you find the department there?
So it was amazing. The whole atmosphere in AIIMS Delhi, once you enter into the college, you get the feels, you get the jitters that, okay, now you are going to be a part of this institute and you'll be learning the best knowledge you can acquire. So it was a dream come true.
As a head, you have Dr. Vijay Prakash Mathur in pediatric dentistry. He's an amazing teacher and a clinician. And you guys will be doing a lot of seminars there. Sir is very particular about getting the seminars and the academic things. So you guys will be doing a lot of research-oriented stuff as well. So it's going to be a great journey for you, Amna. I'm very sure you're going to do very well, just like so many of our ACE achievers have done. You've done us proud. You've done ESIC proud. So I wish you all the best for your future in the institute. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
So second part, what was your preparation, Amna? How have you gone about the preparation before the NEET exam? And what were the problems you thought which you improved in the 6 months?
So I have been a full course member batch. I've been preparing since the beginning of my internship. So what I would say that for me, it took me a while to make the transition from the subjective area of knowledge into the objective practice. It took me a good amount of time. So I would suggest everyone who are preparing for the NEET or for the AIIMS that they should be preparing the objectives as rigidly as they have done their preparation like on theory basis. It should not purely be like they are practicing more and more on theory and they are looking at their notebooks once in a while. It's very, very important that you understand that what question is asking because on the day of examination, nobody is asking how much you have prepared. The only thing that matters is that what questions and how many questions you have answered correctly. So that is the thing. So that's what was my main focus was during AIIMS preparation, that I really wanted to put my focus entirely on the questions and the thing they are asking. So that was my goal.
So what went wrong in your NEET exam, Amna? You got 300 rank and it's not very good.
Yes, sir.
I mean, seeing that your ESIC guys and girls do so well in the NEET exam.
Right.
So what went wrong?
So for NEET, I have been a little anxious also before the paper. But what I remember that I was not able to complete my paper. And I ended up losing a lot of questions and hence a lot of marks. And I knew that I would not be getting a good rank. So I remember on my way back, I called my seniors, Madhur ma'am, I called Akshika ma'am, that ma'am, I don't know how my paper went. So when the result came, even though it was 331 rank, I knew it was not that good, but I was still thankful because it could have gone worse. But that was my major motivation because now I wanted to turn things around. So I was prepared for the AIIMS with no other second thoughts and I just worked on myself.
So, any specific thoughts, Amna, what to do? I mean, students, I mean, first of all, the motivation that, if you not got a very good rank in NEET, so many students end up quitting.
Right.
So, I mean, how to go about those last 4-5 months? Is it really worth?
It is absolutely worth it. You just need to trust yourself. You need to understand that because the pattern of both the papers are different. It doesn't mean that you are not worthy, you're not knowledgeable enough. It simply means that, okay, it might means that you might not have practiced enough. So you need to increase the frequency of practicing your questions. And very, very important, you need to trust yourself. You need to trust your instincts. You need to understand. You need to believe in yourself that, okay, you have read it somewhere. You know this question. You know the answer. And that's the key. I would like to really specially thank the faculty of AIIMS Dental College and Hospital for their valuable contributions, especially Dr. Pranav Kapoor sir, who has been there one call away. And even after graduating from the college, he still keeps a check on us regarding any issues or any problem we face during preparation. A special thanks to him and all the faculty members of AIIMS Dental College. Thank you.
So, Amna, how did ACE Achievers help you in your preparation?
It was the biggest help and support I could get. I was clueless at the start of my internship. I was so much into theory because I was always into academics. I used to learn books. I used to see the notes. But it was sir and ma'am who constantly advised me that I should be focusing on the questions and that how to prepare, because you might know things, but what is really very important is the direction. You need to go into the right direction. The right amount of hard work will definitely lead you to the successful path that you really want to go into. So that you guys are the biggest support one could ask for.
And
Thank you so much.
I can say that AIIMS Dental College is one of the biggest supports, getting ranks every year with us and making all of us proud. The amount of effort we are putting in, amount of effort you guys are putting in, and your teachers are putting it. It's all worth at the end of the day. Yeah. Thank you, Amna, for choosing us. Thank you for coming here. The dual trophy. This is amazing.
Thank you to AIIMS Dental College and the professors for the valuable teachings. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.